Last January 15, 2021, Samsung unveiled the 3 flagship device that pushes the boundaries of what a smartphone can do. The Galaxy S21, Galaxy S21 Plus and Galaxy S21 Ultra. But before we start, can you please do like and subscribe to my channel? It's free. So now, let's talk about the new S21 series. It brings a bunch of updates, refinements and new features. The S21 Plus and S21 Ultra will come with a combination of aluminum frame and glass back, while the S21 has a plastic back in which the Samsung called it a Glastic. We all have seen this for some Samsung devices. So, S21 would not be as premium as S21 Plus and S21 Ultra. Also, all 3 devices have its IP68 certified and have its all matte finished on the back. The S21 comes with a 6.2 inches display. S21 Plus has its 6.7 inches. And the largest is the S21 Ultra with 6.8 inches display. All 3 devices have its Samsung Infinity O design and comes out with dynamic AMOLED display. Also, all variant has its Gorilla Glass Victus. The S21 and S21 Plus have its flat display while the S21 Ultra has its curve on the side. For the color, S21 has its 4-color option, the Phantom Gray, Phantom White, Phantom Violet, and the Phantom Pink. While the S21 Plus has 5-color option, the Phantom Violet, Phantom Black, Phantom Silver, Phantom Gold, and the Phantom Red. And the S21 Ultra has its 5-color option, the Phantom Black, Phantom Silver, Phantom Navy, Phantom Brown, and the Phantom Titanium. But the Phantom Black and Phantom Silver are the only available in the market, while the 3 other colors are only available by made-to-order basis. These are the Phantom Navy, Phantom Brown, and Phantom Titanium. Now, let's go for the camera. S21 Ultra has the largest camera module compared to S21 and S21 Plus. It is because it has a more camera. S21 and S21 Plus has the same camera, which has a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, 12-megapixel primary, and 64-megapixel telephoto, while for the selfie camera it has a 10-megapixel. For the S21 Ultra it has a lot of improvement from last year model of S20. We've got 4 cameras, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide with dual-pixel autofocus, and super steady video, 108-megapixel primary, 10-megapixel telephoto with 3 times optical zoom, and the 10-megapixel periscope with 10 times optical zoom. While for the selfie camera, it has a 40-megapixel. And now let's move on to the storage and RAM. The S21 and S21 Plus will have its 8GB of RAM for its 128GB and 256GB of storage, while the S21 Ultra have its 12GB of RAM for 128GB, 256GB, and 16GB of RAM for 512GB of storage. But aside from that, there's a bad news. The S21 series does not have a micro SD card slot. Also, all those 3 variants has its Qualcomm Snapdragon 888, but still, it depends on the region, because some region wouldn't get the latest Exynos 2100. For the battery, S21 has the smallest battery with 4000 mAh battery, S21 Plus has 4800 mAh, while the S21 Ultra has the largest with 5000 mAh battery. All these three devices also support 25 watts fast charging and 15 watts wireless charging. But Samsung confirmed that the charger and earphones are officially not included out of the box. Also, the S21 Ultra does have the support of S Pen. And for the price, the S21 has the price of $799 for 128 GB of storage with 8 GB of RAM, and $899 for 256 GB of storage with 8 GB of RAM. While the S21 Plus has the price of $999 for 128 GB of storage with 8 GB of RAM, and $1,099 for 256 GB of storage with 8 GB RAM. The S21 Ultra has the price of $1,199 for 128 GB of storage with 12 GB of RAM, $1,249 for 256 GB of storage with 12 GB of RAM, and $1,379 for 512 GB of storage with 16 GB RAM.